Using categories in iSupport. Categories are custom values that you create for describing incidents, knowledge entries, problems, and changes. Note that the same category set is used with all of these features. Problem and change functionality is included in the Service Desk edition. Categories can be organized in a hierarchical structure with up to 5 levels, and levels typically range from general to specific. The iSupport Setup utility, which appears after iSupport is initially installed, installs an initial set of categories based on a selected type used as a starting point: customer service, facilities, HR, or IT. A category combination is required when entering incidents, knowledge entries, problems, and changes. A layout of fields and tabs can be associated with a category. When the category is selected for an incident, problem, or change, the fields and tabs in the layout will replace the existing layout for that work item. You can associate a script to display when a category is selected. The script dialog will be editable if the Automatically Place Call Scripts in Work History field is enabled in the Feature Basics configuration screen. The script will be included in the history of the work item. You can perform a targeted knowledge search based on the selected category combination and capture the resolution from a knowledge entry. You can enable automatic display of all matching knowledge entries in the View window at the bottom of the screen via a setting in the Category configuration screen. You can define custom fields for tracking information specific to your company and associate a category with a custom field. When the category is selected for an incident, problem, or change, a custom field will appear. iSupport performance can be increased by associating categories with custom fields because only applicable custom fields will load in a work item screen. You can associate approval cycles with categories. When an approval cycle is in effect, most incident functionality is disabled until the cycle is complete. The rule group in effect for the incident or change controls whether approvals are required and how approval cycles are applied. The Others to Notify feature enables you to set up a list of customers and support representatives not directly involved in the incident, problem, or change process to be associated with a work item whenever the category is selected. You can associate a category with a correspondence template. When the category is used with an incident, problem, or change, the associated template will be available in the list for selection. You can send the correspondence to a list of others to notify. Use the Categories configuration screen to enable the features that are applicable to your environment. You can associate an incident, problem, change, and/or knowledge rule group with a category. Rule groups include rules that can change field values, trigger notifications, initiate approvals, route, and more if conditions are met. Use the Restrict Access feature to restrict display of a category to members of support representative and customer groups. You can set up skill levels such as beginner, intermediate, advanced, and expert for skill-based routing of incidents, problems, and changes based on category. Enable skill-based routing and label skill levels in the Feature Basics configuration screen, and then associate support representative skill levels with categories in this screen. Categories play a key role in reporting. For example, you can generate a report of all incidents with a specific category. That's it for an overview of iSupport's category functionality. If you have any questions, be sure to consult the online help. Our support team is available for a more in-depth walkthrough. Contact them via email at support@isupport.com and via phone at 360-397-1099. They're available from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST Monday through Friday, and from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST on Saturdays and Sundays for critical system failures such as installation errors, inability to log in, or inability to create work items. You can also go to mysupport.isupport.com, iSupport Software's technical support website, to chat with support representatives, submit and view incidents, search the knowledge base, view facts, submit ideas, and participate in the user discussion forum.